Welcome back, everyone. I'll go and show you exactly how to restore some deleted contacts that you may have on your iPhone. Now, the way that Apple actually tells you to do this is to actually go ahead and go under their iCloud website. So you go into iCloud and you essentially, here's the thing, you essentially go and restore your specific account and your, contacts by restoring from a backup of your specific bookmarks and your specific contacts. But yeah, I tried this and it didn't work. So keep that in mind. I mean, you can try this and it may work for you. But the things that have actually helped out and was able to recover some of my contacts is two different things. One, by having a Google account that I already had a lot of contacts with and re-putting it in here and restoring them from that Google contacts. And the other method was actually using my older iPhone and sending those contacts over to myself. So in my case, the backup that I actually had was outdated, was from many, many months ago, and I didn't even have all those contacts saved. So what I did was I went over here, I scrolled down into contacts, which is right here. I went ahead and went into accounts right here, and I went ahead and added my Google account, my personal one, into this specific website, into this specific portal. And what happened was all my contacts were syncing with both accounts. So even though I deleted all those contacts from my iCloud account, they were still synced up with my Google account. So all I had to do was input my Google account here. You may already have another one of these accounts saved, and I actually ended up restoring a bunch of my contacts that way on my personal phone. Now, that may not actually work for you, so you may not have another Google account saved, but most probably you do have an older device, or you may have a MacBook, an iPad, another device like that, where you may actually be able to go ahead and send those contacts over and airdrop them to your specific device. Now, this is not applicable to every single person, but if you don't have a backup and if you don't have any other thing, what I personally did was I went ahead and I grabbed my other phone. So I went on my other phone like this. I went ahead and I found all those numbers that I had here, and I literally held them down and I airdropped them and sent them over to this device. And then what I did was I was able to go through one by one, verify all those contacts, and they would automatically show up right here after I added them back into my contacts. So those are two different ways to do it. Again, the main way is to restore from a backup and do all that stuff. But sometimes those backups can be outdated, and this is the one way that it actually helped out and worked for me. So that's pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.